Hi, good morning, dear students. In the last class, we discussed about the uh, uh, operations on an array. Okay, you know the operations on array. You know the data structure, types of data structures. Okay, then the in that type, we know the non-primitive data structure. The what are the operations on non-primitive data structure? In that, we know the in non-primitive data structure we have two types. One is linear data structure, second one is a non-linear data structure. In linear data structure we are studied about a array. Okay, see, we know the array operations. In that first one you know the traversing. Okay, there are 5 operations. Okay, in that this is the last operation. See, the first operation is a traversing, the second operation is a searching. Okay, searching, then third operation is a insertion, then deletion, then fifth operation is a, see, this is a sorting. Okay, sorting. Okay, these are the operations on a array. Okay, so many times in examination they will ask you explain the operations on array, explain the operations on non-primitive data structures. Okay, non-primitive data structure operation. First one is a traversing. You know traversing, the element will be travel exactly once. That is called what a traversing. You know that. Then the you know the searching the finding the location of element, that is called searching. Okay, then third one insertion, insert element element into the array, that is called insertion. Deletion means you have to remove the element from the array, that is called a deletion. Okay, these are all last class we discuss about this. Okay, today class we discuss about the sorting. This is a fifth operation. Okay, this is a fifth operation. They, in examination they will ask you what is a sorting, write the algorithm for a sorting. Okay, what is sorting? First we have to remember know the what is sorting. Sorting means is the process of arranging the elements in a ascending or descending order. Okay, the process of arranging the elements in a ascending order or descending order, that is called what a sorting. This sorting is where you have to use this sorting process. Sorting process is used in a MS Excel, MS Word. Okay, if you want your student alphabetical manner, I want the numbers alpha numbers from 1 to 100 numbers, okay, in ascending order, then you have to use that as sort option. Okay, in MS Excel also you have a sort option. That to build the application we have to use this algorithm. Okay, to build that application also we have to use this algorithm. That's why it's very important for a sorting elements. Then what is sorting? Sorting nothing but the process of arranging the elements in a ascending or descending order. Example, for example, I am given here 20, then 5, then 10. How to arrange this? You have to arrange this, so you have to sort this element. You have to sort this first you have to 5, then after that you are getting 10, after that you are getting 20. This is called sorting antarike. Sorting. Just I am sorting 3 elements. Okay, just I am sorting the 3 element 25 and 10. Okay, you are getting 5, 10, 20. For example, I am taking C 4, then 2, 1, then 3. How to sort this? How to sort this? First you are getting 1, after that 2, then 3, then 4. This is called a sorting. Okay, this project is called sorting. Sorting means arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. Almost all ascending order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. For example, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇದನ್ನ? ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನನಗೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಟು ಝೆಡ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಒನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ MS Excel. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಟನ್. Automatically the numbers are sorted from A to Z. Okay, see, numbers or names are sorted. Got it? Okay, that's why you have to use this method. Okay, see, sorting means arranging the elements in ascending or descending order. Then in examination they will ask you write the difference between searching and sorting. Searching means finding the location of element, is called searching. Sorting means it is the process of arranging the elements in a ascending or descending order. Okay, this is called a sorting. Okay, that's done. Then in examination they will ask you mention the types of sorting. 2 marks question, they will ask you, see, mention there are 4 types of sorting we have. One is insertion sort, then second one is a bubble sort, then third one is a quick sort, then a selection sort. There are 4 types of sorting we have. Okay, there are 4 types of sorting. One is insertion, bubble, then quick sort, then selection sort. These are you have to study next in a degree. Degree, if you take an engineering branch, in in engineering you have to study these three, but for your syllabus you have only this insertion sort. Okay, insertion sort, write a algorithm for sorting or insertion sort. Okay, this is the type of question asked in the exam. What is insertion sort? See now, what is insertion sort? This is also sorting method. This is also method of sorting. What is it is also method of sorting to insert an element into the appropriate position. This is also method of sorting to insert an element into the appropriate position. That is called what insertion sort anತಾರೆ. Okay, insertion sort anತಾರೆ. You know, see what is insertion sort? Insertion sort means insert an element into the appropriate position. For example, I have this element. I have 4, 2, 1, 3. Okay, this is one element. I want to sort this. First, what you have to take? 1 na elli hakidre appropriate position. Yeah, in which position you have to put? For example, you have to put into here in appropriate position. Then after that 2 correct is the correct position. It is not already sorted. Then 3 you have to put in a location. This is location 0, this is location 1, this is location 2, this is location, just you have to imagine 3. Okay, then you have to put this 3 in a location 2, like this. This is called insertion sort. Insertion sort means you have to put these element in appropriate position. That is called a insertion sort. Insert a element into the appropriate position. For example, you have this 5, see 25, 10. Okay, this is stored in A of 0, this is stored in A of 1, this is stored in A of 2. Just you have to imagine 5 na ella correct agi insert madidre correct irutte in position 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ 5 ನ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ then it will be sorted. Okay, that's why you have to remember what is insertion sort. Insert a element into the appropriate position. That is called what insertion sort anತಾರೆ. Insertion sort. Okay, this is also one of the method of sorting. Okay, method of sorting. This is you have to remember. This is what is about insertion sort. Now you have to know about what is sorting. Okay, the types of sorting and what is a insertion sort. Okay, now go for the algorithm. Okay, see what is how to write the algorithm for a sorting. See first, see this is the algorithm for a sorting. See, for a algorithm for sorting, must and should we want one array of n elements. For example, I am taking names. For example, see here I am taking numbers 25, then 10. I want to sort this. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ 0, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ 1, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ 2. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ? ಫಾರ್ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ 5, 10, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 20 ಬರಬೇಕು. Then how to sort? This is through this algorithm you have to sort these elements. Okay, in that first one, see, for I equal to 1 to n minus 1. For I equal to, always you have to remember, insertion sort will be always start with the I equal to 1. Always it start with the I equal to 1, not for 0. ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು students 0 ಬರೀತಾರೆ, it is wrong. Always it start with the I equal to 1. Okay, then after that j equal to I. J equal to I means what? Now j equal to I means I ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 1. I ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಆನ್ಸರ್ 1. Then j ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ಇವಾಗ? j equal to 1 ಆಯಿತು. j equal to I means I ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 1 ಇದೆ. Then j also 1. While j means how much? 1 is greater or equal to 1. 1 is greater or equal to 1. Yes means it comes here. See, a of j ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ j ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. a of 1, j ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 is less than a of j minus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0. a of 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? a of 1 means you are getting a 5. 5 is less than a of 0, 20. 5 is less than 20. Yes means then it will sort in. So these will be swapped. It is interchanging. The interchange number will be interchanged. Temp equal to a of j equal to a of j minus 1, a of j minus 1 equal to temp. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾರ್ಟ್. ಅವಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದೆನ್ 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆಫ್ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 10 ನನಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ವ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ j equal to j minus 1. j ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1 ಇದೆ. 1 minus 1 ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 minus 1 equal to 0. 0 ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ j. 0 is greater than equal to 1. False. False means then it goes to here, then I equal to 1 into for loop will be incremented. I equal to 1 is into 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ then now 2 then j equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2 ಆಯ್ತು. j is because I equal to 2 means then j equal to 2. 2 is greater than equal to 1. Yes. Yes means then a of j ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಇದೆ. a of 2 is less than a of 2 minus 1 means 1. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ a of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? 10 ಇದೆ. In a of 2 you have a 10 is a of 1. a of 1 means you have a 20. 10 is less than 20. Yes. Yes means swapping will be takes place. Swapping means ಅವಾಗ 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Then sort ಆಯ್ತಾ? 5 10 20 like this you have to sort. Just I am taking 3 numbers only. Okay, if you given 100 numbers, okay, automatically the computer will be sorted if you give these type of instructions. If you given this type of instruction, automatically it will be sorted. Then how to remember this? How to remember this algorithm? You have to practice. Without practice, you cannot get this. Okay, practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. First always the insertion sort always it start with I equal to 1. I equal to 1 for loop I equal to 1, but ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರೀತಾರೆ? 0 ಬರೀತಾರೆ. It's wrong. Then j equal to I. j equal to why I am taking I and j? Because I want to compare two elements. This is I and j. That's why you want to take two elements I and j. Then see why j is greater than equal to 0 condition. Then swap. This is for swapping. These 4 steps for swapping. Swapping means interchanging. Okay, interchanging ಗೆ ಈ 4 step ನ ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, then j equal to j minus 1. After that x. Okay, only we have these 4 to 5 steps. You are getting 5 marks. Okay, already in annual exam 3 to 4 times ask this algorithm. How they are asking? See, write an algorithm to sort a element into the array. Sort a element into the array. Sorting a element into the array means you have to write an insertion sort algorithm. Okay, it's very easy algorithm. You have to practice. How to remember means oh yes, in sorting we are getting swapping, interchanging. Changing means like this. Okay, this is you have to remember like this. If you remember means okay, it will be very easy to write in exam. Okay, this is what is about okay, this is what is the sorting. How many now? There are 5 operations on a array. Okay, how many operations we have? 5 operations. One is traversing, second one is a insertion. In insertion you have 2 algorithm. One is a linear search, second one is a binary search. Okay, then third one is which one? Third one is insertion sort. Fourth one is a deletion. Okay, sorry, insertion, then deletion, then sorting. Okay, there are how many? 5 algorithms. Okay, 5 algorithms by exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 2 algorithms ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, for 10 marks. Okay, please you have to practice this. Okay, this is about the insertion sort. Okay, if you have any doubts you can ask me, you can call me. Okay, please write a notes, then only you can understand. Okay, thank you for watching this video.